In the today's update, I'm going to show you what we can expect next on FLOKI Inu. Before to explain you all of this, I just want to remind you what we have planned in the last update. So in the last update, we're simply looking, for this nice buy zone here. So between this value high and this daily level, all of this green box. This was using the levels and using the wave. We were simply looking for a nice WXY to the downside, and so we was looking simply for this nice first target, second and third target. Okay, so this is what we have planned. After this, we've got the very nice continuation into the 1-to-1 extension. So the red fib, really, the second target was using with the fibs. Okay, you can see here. And so from here, well, we simply recognize that we had to get some 5 waves to the upside to make a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and to get this very nice wave 5 here to the upside. So we're simply looking for that wave 4 and next for the wave 5. So I'm just going to show everything here. We've got the 1-to-1 extension. With the levels, we've got this very nice box here that we've planned when it was above, was looking for a drop in there, and so a bounce from this second target. This played absolutely perfectly, so I hope you have been able to take advantage really of all this technical analysis, and if you as always enjoy the content, are making profit from these updates that are absolutely free, feel free just to smash the likes, subscribe to our channel, and write a comment down below. As always, this helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, on this being said, now let's just move on the TA and let's see what we can expect next. So first of all, we were simply looking here for a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We needed these 5 waves to simply make the wave 5. Okay, why? Simply because in a wave 5 we have to get some 5 waves, so to speak. Here we need to get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete this blue wave 5. Okay, if we have to get these 5 waves into the wave 5, well, what are the smaller wave? Well, into the wave 1 we have to get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll have a correction. Then we'll have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll have another correction. And then we'll have a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. Okay? So we have in that case a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into the wave 1, 3, and 5, we need to get 5 waves. This is exactly what I was looking for here. This wave 1, 2 with a 5 waves inside. So now let's just see and update this and see how it's playing, or how it played really. So we've got a first small 5 waves to the upside, so this is a wave 1. We've got a correction. Now we've got another 5 waves up. We just need a wave 4 and a wave 5 now. Okay, we're going to plan really everything, so you know exactly what to take if we have, for example, to do something else and we don't do, for example, this. Okay, it really all depends on Bitcoin too. But anyways, so here if we have to make this wave 5, as you understood, we need to get these 5 waves. So we need to get a small 5 waves here to create simply a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again exactly what I was looking for in the last update. So now the thing is, we have already a possible trade setup. Okay, just gonna change the size of this so we can see a little bit better the difference. This is really the count we're going to take if we have to be bullish from here. So now let's focus on this small 5 waves to the upside. Okay, the blue ones. I'm gonna name this blue wave 5, oops, and that will do the job. Perfect. So here the thing is, if we have to be bullish, we can look for this small 1, 2, 3, or 5. What we can look for here for the wave 4 at the moment. So to find a wave 4, before, by the way, to find a wave 4, we can simply look at what was the wave 3. We've got a nice 1618. That is the most common target and the minimum to reach normally for a wave 3. So it's pretty perfect. From here, we have to check out a wave 2. See what retracement we have done. As always, a wave 2 have 73% chance to bounce between the 50% and the 618, 66%. We've got a bounce from here. This is pretty perfect. So once we have done a regular wave 2, we simply look for a regular wave 4. So we can pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root at the wave 4 targets. And simply, so to speak, the 23.6 MC fib, 38.2. These days we can still add the 50% because, well, the ounce likes to go there. It's not the most probable normally, but anyways. And so there you go, we have the buy zone. Okay, if you want to know, by the way, how to make all of this, how to make such predictions, for example, with a drop that was planned, was looking for a new all-time high. We were saying this before we even dropped because we knew that it was a retracement to push higher. Or for example, to plan these targets with a very nice EXY was, I mean, how to be ready and prepared for this and how to expect, for example, to not literally crash from here. Well, if you want to know all of this, you can absolutely, and for free, you can simply go and check out the mooncharts.fr website. Okay, scroll down a bit, you have a new Elliott wave course. If you want to know more about this, you simply have to click the read more button. That will bring you with this page. And so you have at the moment a new Elliott wave course. If you go into the course section, you have so the Elliott wave course there, and you have all the lessons there. You have 3 more that are going to come next. Okay, you have 10 lessons. For now, you have 7. And the thing is, you have so 10 lessons and 3 contests. So the thing, you learn and you get paid for your learning. Not all of you, of course, because these are some contests. So only the 3 winners in the contest will get a prize pool. I mean, will get paid really. You have a 1,800 total prize pool. And so the thing is, the contest number 2 is starting in only 3 days. Okay, so we've got the first contest that was ready at the beginning of April. It was a $300 prize pool. It was on the 4 first free lessons. These 4 lessons are available for absolutely everyone. This is really, there are 10 lessons at total, okay? But these 4 first lessons represent really more than half of the full Elliott wave course. You have really an amount of information in there. This is really the videos you need really to understand better maybe the updates I'm doing right now and, well, Elliott wave generally speaking. If you want to learn Elliott wave, well, these videos, these 4 first lessons there are really made for you. You will thank me later, you will see. So this was already given. I mean, the giveaway is already over. The prize was already shared with the winners. You can see the winners in here. Now, the thing is, there is a second contest, okay, that is coming, well, next week on Monday, by the way, on the 29th of April. This one is a $500 prize pool. The first contest was for absolutely everyone, was public, free. The second contest and the third contest will be for the apprentice members only. So you have to sign up as apprentice. Same if you want to unlock the next lessons, you will have to sign up as apprentice, just so you're aware of it. But again, if you learn this good, well, you'll be in the first in the ranking. For example, here the first place is $300 worth in Bitcoin. The second one, $125. And the third place, $75. So basically you can learn your waves. Even if you pay the months, well, you can refund it and make even more money. So it's pretty cool. So this is the second contest. If you play the contest, don't forget this is a contest on the 3 latest lessons only, so to speak, the ABC flat, ABCDE triangle, and the EXY and EXYX and Z patterns. Okay, so on this, it will be a quiz. You have more details below here. And if you want, by the way, to get a calendar, you have really everything in here, so you know exactly when is what and what to expect, really. And next, just to finish with, you have a third contest that this time is a $1,000 prize pool. The first place is $500, the second one is $300, and the third one is $200 worth in Bitcoin. And this one will be a general Elliott wave quiz, so basically on the 10 lessons, really, not only on the 3 latest or something. It will be really on everything. So that's why I move it, by the way, if you was following this before, I move it the third contest from the 3 to 9 to the 10 to 16, simply to give you some more time, really. Okay, 2 weeks to learn everything, and also to get some more live chartings from myself, really, so you can make some more experience, and not only in 1 week. Okay, so you can, well, yeah, just simply make more experience. So anyways, if you want to get paid really while learning Elliott waves, well, go and check out our website. Everyone is welcome. But yeah, the contest number 2 and 3 and the new lessons are really for the apprentice members, just so you're aware of it. Anyway, so now yeah, so the 5 waves. So the wave for here, this is a buy zone. Okay, so if we have a buy zone here, what it means, this is where we look for a long trade. What we want to see here is simply Bitcoin bullish when we hit that target. If Bitcoin is not bullish, well, the wave 4 is just going to go more down, more down, more down, and we can look in that case for an invalidation of this configuration. How is it possible to get an invalidation for these 5 waves? Simply because this can be, so it's a 5 waves correction 5 waves. Remember, a wave 1, 3, and 5 have 5 waves, so we have 5 waves, correction 5 waves. What can be also a 5 waves correction 5 waves? It can be an A, B, C zigzag. In that case, next, it's a correction to go more down. There is no wave 4 and 5. So just so you're aware of it, if we have to be bearish from here, it's possible. It depends. It really only depends if this wave 4 is holding or not. In that case, because we have to be ready and prepared as always for absolutely everything as a trader and an investor. So it can be simply here, a WXY, X and Z. So we simply look for a longer wave 4, and so we look for this. Let me just hide this for the moment. I'm gonna add this in here. So this really is a bearish wave count. Really, if we have to be bearish from here, that will be simply a WXYXNZ. How do you find the targets in that case of the Z wave? Because the targets before are simply the Y wave targets. By the way, now we can remove this. Okay, you simply have to pull the extension tool. Okay, from the W root to the W bottom to the second X wave top, not to the first one. So from here, you simply have to add the correction targets, and there you go. You have the MC extension 100%, 123, and the 1618, but this one brings us with a minus, so we cannot go below 0. So we have the 3 targets we can look for, but again, we need the exact top for this. Anyways, this is in case we have to be bearish. Okay, so I'm just gonna move it like this and name it bear. Okay, so we can name it in that case blue wave 4. Oops, not wave 5, wave 4 bearish. And so from here we are ready for it in case we have to do it. And again, if you want to stay updated, because maybe I'm not going to record an update on the YouTube channel, if you want to stay updated, I'm going to post everything within the Discord server, really, and all of these channels again are absolutely free. So yeah, if you want to stay updated, make sure to join this. I'm gonna post everything in there so you're aware of it. If I don't record an update. Anyways, gonna remove this, hide this for the moment, and gonna go simply on the plan if we have to be bullish from here. As Bitcoin, there is no reason to be bearish yet. We can look for something bullish also on that one. Okay, so from here, once we've got this wave 4, okay, between, so to speak, 0, 18 down to 16, really, okay, we can simply pull out the extension tool to find a wave 5 targets. By the way, this is for the bearish plan. So how do you place the extension tool to find your wave 5 targets? Again, you can learn this on the website, but I'm going to repeat myself. You place it from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top, just click at that, to the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that we go exactly on the 38.2, so the red fib here. From here, you simply have to add the wave 5 targets. So first of all, the 618, then you have the 100%, 1618, and to finish with, you have the 261.8. So yeah, these are all the targets really here that will be with for a swing flip on a refill auction. Otherwise, 1-to-1 extension is the most probable one. And from here, get a nice pullback for the wave 2. And after this, well, you simply look for the wave 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's take the case that, yeah, we bounce from the 38-point retracement of the wave 4 exactly from here, get a rise into the 1-to-1 extension. Well, how do you find the wave 2 targets next? You simply have to pull the retracement tool, and of course you can go on the level chart, do all the lower time frame levels in the higher time frame ones, everything really. But we need, and I want to see the 5 ways really to be made to really start working on the lower prices. Okay, by the way, if you are using the levels, for people that are using this for the wave 4 here, this is really the path control value are high, by the way, and the swing through pan here. Okay, if you want to use the levels, this is really all of this zone we can trigger. And for the wave 5, so to speak, once we have done this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm really placing this like, anyways, so the blue ones I was talking about before. Once you've got this wave 4 and then the wave 5, okay, well, you simply have to look for possibly, this is the first target we have above. Okay, so red, you have this nice 61866% plus the daily level plus the swing flip pan. If you want to short this next, again, don't forget to read an order flow. Do not short like that, because I'm saying you have a possible short setup there. What I'm doing is simply I'm playing my targets, I'm setting an alert, and once it rings, I'm simply going on the order flow. I'm just checking what's going on really. Do we have some good data to take the trade or not? It all depends on this. If there are some good data, well, I'm going to take the trade. If the data are not good, I'm not going to take the trade. As simple as that. So just to show you, this is an order flow, and it really allows you to see what's going on, what's happening really behind the market, so you can simply make some more informed trading decisions. As simple as that. So you can see, for example, the volume in the account, the delta, the rate. You can see where are coming the longs, where are coming the shorts, all of this, so you can really make some really good decisions. So now I'm gonna close it. But yeah, so this is the buy zone, okay, for FLOKI, really green, okay, using the levels, and next you have the sell zone, really, if we can say that. If we start breaking above this, we can look for a big failed auction above into the weekly level, the monthly negative path control. Okay, these are the two targets for the wave 5. If we again manage to make these 5 waves. But anyway, so once we have done this 5 waves here to the upside, we can look for this bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 to complete this blue wave 5. Okay, and so, well, for now it's too early to add all the levels for this wave 2 because we need this wave 4 and 5 data really to look for the wave 2 data next. So as we don't have this wave 4 and 5, it's really complex to do this, but as always, a wave 2 have 73% chance to retrace between the 50, 618, 66%. Okay, if you take, well, that one I can't remember, but for example, this was a wave 1, 2. Okay, here again you have the green wave 5. You need to get 5 waves, so you have this nice wave. I'm gonna draw it by the way. You have this nice wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this by the way will be simply exactly the same. Okay, the pink wave you can see on the left are simply the ones we can look on the right next, as simple as that. And so if you place here the wave 2 retracement, what you can see that we have done, bam, a 56, 186% again. Okay, this is very, well, yeah, this is where we have more chance to bounce from, right? So if we go in there and then we add the extension tool, again, it's very, very, very early to give you this, but just to give you an idea of if we do something really like common, what we can do here and what price we can reach. So from here we can add the wave 3 targets. Well, it's why you place it already. So the 1618 is the most common target for the wave 3, so it's around 00033. Then we can look for a regular wave 4, so to speak, 38.2, that is a 1-to-1 extension of the wave 3 if the wave 3 is 1618. And then we can look for a 1-to-1 extension of the wave 5, that is the 200% of the wave 3, the wave 3 is 1618. So if we do a regular impulsive like this, if we really follow all the regular targets, we can simply look for, so 00037 by the way. Okay, so around around 00040 psychological price that can bring us with a nice big wave 3 top. Okay, so finish the wave 5 here, the blue wave 5 that will end the big wave 3 top, and next we'll have another crash like this for a wave 4 and another increase in price for a wave 5. So yeah, this is what we can look for really on FLOKI. This is a plan if we have to be bullish, just don't forget it. I'm gonna add everything into the blue wave 5 by the way, and I'm gonna remove this. So yeah, this is a bullish plan. Okay, you have an idea also of the targets, and next you have the bearish plan in case we have to be bearish. If we have to do this, we can by the way already plan the targets. Okay, if this was a top, you can simply look for the following targets. 350, let's move this at 250, a little more by the way, there you go, a little less, and nice. So you have this first target and this second target there, 100%, and the 123, and the lower targets are not possible simply because that brings us with a below 0 really, so it's not possible. So this, bam, so we are ready in case we have to go there, we are ready for it. Okay, so now looking for this until Bitcoin is really bearish, until this happen. Well, we can look for this really. Okay, and if Bitcoin is bearish, we can look for this. So yeah, that's it really for FLOKI. Looking mainly for this at the moment, wave 4 and 5. But again, join the Discord server. It's free. All the channels here are absolutely free. You have many updates in the other TA section here. So you have many coins. Anyways, you can just go and check this out. All of this is free, and you have some Bitcoin update really when this is needed. As simple as that. For example, here we've got this very nice first resistance plan, and so we've got this very nice short trade from the first resistance. We are now a lot below. We are around this consolidation that brings us with a lovely short trade, some few levels and everything you have to know really when there are no daily updates. And yeah, anyways, don't forget, if you want to learn your waves, you can go and check out the MOONCHARTS website. You have 10 lessons, 3 contests. The first contest is already over. That was a public contest, and now we go for the apprentice contest really, and so the paid contest, if we can say that, with a nice $500 prize pool, and the next one is a $1,000 price pool. Have the dates there, and if you want to get more, simply go and check out the website. You can scroll down a bit. You have the full calendar there. You have some more details. Anyway, I'll let you go and check this out. You have the link right below in the description. Anyway, I wish you all a brilliant day. Don't forget to smash the likes, to write some comments down below to let me know really what you think about FLOKI if you want to tell me. And yeah, have a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.